Good afternoon, friends. Today we're going to be working on our math, and our assignment is story problems, all right? So today I'm going to be working with my red chips, okay? And these red chips, we're going to be able to see them move. We're going to create a picture, and we're going to solve our problems, okay? So before we begin, I want you to pay attention to how I'm going to be dragging the chips, okay? So when I drag them, that's the ones that we'll be counting, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my chips kind of over here into a pile, all right? And actually, I'm going to bring them down here to the bottom so that we have the top of the board ready for us to work, okay? All right, so we're going to start off with our problem, and we're going to be using 3 red chips, okay? 3 red chips. And my 3 red chips, I'm going to add more chips to it, okay? So I'm going to give you 3 more chips, all right? So when I say that word add, what does that mean, friends? What does that mean for us? Very good. We're going to put a plus sign, okay? Do you see my plus sign right there? So I have 3 plus 3. How many do I have all together? When we do our story problems, I want you to include the number model with it. So below this 3 chips, I'm going to write number 3. I'm going to include my plus sign, and I'm going to write number 3 again. Now I'm going to count that all together. If you already know what 3 plus 3 is, you can count that up in your head, or we can tap and touch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So below, I'm going to write the number 6. Nice job. Okay? All right. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and erase all of this. All right. So we're going to set up for another problem. All right. Are we ready? All right. So this time I'm going to I'm going to start off with 4 red chips. We have 4 red chips. Okay? And then we are going to add 1, 2, 3 more red chips. Now, I said that magic word again. That magic word was add. And when I add, we're doing what kind of a symbol are we using? We're using a plus. Okay? So let's go ahead and count these red chips on the left-hand side, and we're going to write the number below it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4 chips plus 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and count again, this time, all of our red chips, because remember, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is right. You should have 7. Nice work. You guys are doing a fabulous job today. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase our chips, our board. All right, here we go. All right, now we're going to give you a harder one. I'm going to give you 5 chips. You start off with 5 red chips, okay? And Mrs. Pritchett gave you 4 more red chips. So you have 5 chips, and then Mrs. Pritchett gave you 4 more. And we're doing what? What kind of a symbol are we using? That is right, we're adding. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 red chips plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Add them all together. You could either do 5 and 4, okay? Or you can count them by pointing to them. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Very good. And you can write 9 at the bottom. 9 all together. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and erase again. This time we're going to do a subtraction number model, a subtraction one, okay? So let's get my pointer back here. And we are going to start off with 5 red chips, 5 red chips, okay? And then we're going to take away, what's a takeaway sign look like? That is correct. A minus sign. You need to put your minus sign right like here in the middle. Minus 1, 2. 5 minus 2. So hold up 5 fingers, friends. 5 fingers. And let's take away 2. Ready? 1, 2. And you are left with 1, 2, and 3. Very good. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 minus 2 equals, how many did we say, friends? 3. Very good. Now, the one way you could have done it is we could have taken this section here, 5, okay? And then we could have just crossed out the 2, and then you're left with the 3. All right? Okay. All right, friends, I'm going to go ahead and stop there. I hope you had a wonderful day with working with story problems. Go ahead and continue working with those at home. You can do this at the dinner table. You can do it at before you go to bed, anytime during the day. You can always be making up story problems. Hope you have a great day. See you and goodbye.